How to use multiple accounts on Roblox. Welcome back. In today's tutorial, I show you how to use multiple accounts on Roblox. Whether you are managing different profiles for gaming or testing, it's easy to switch between accounts. So let's get started. First, if you don't have multiple accounts yet, you need to create a new one. So go to roblox.com and click on sign up. Fill in the required information like your username, password, and date of birth. Make sure to use a different email address from your primary account. Once your new account is set up, you can log in. If you're using a web browser, simply log out of your current account by clicking the gear icon and selecting log out. Then, log in with your new account details. If you're using a Roblox app, you can switch accounts by logging out and logging back in. To make switching easier, consider using a browser that supports multiple profiles like Google Chrome. You can create separate profiles for each Roblox account, allowing you to stay logged in to all of them. Just click on your profile icon in the top right corner, select Add and create a new profile for your second account. Keep track of your usernames and passwords for each account. Using a password manager can help you store this information securely, so making it easier to log in when you want to switch. And that's it. You can now easily use multiple accounts on Roblox. If you found this tutorial helpful, please like and subscribe for more gaming tips. Happy gaming, thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.